Hi everyone! Today I want to share something that really surprised me. GarciSlim. Maybe you've heard of it. I know I was curious after seeing a few recommendations myself, but honestly, after getting to know it better, I realized it's way more than I expected, and I had to share this with you. GarciSlim is more than just a regular supplement. It was developed with an innovative formula that truly makes a difference when it comes to weight loss and well-being in a way I hadn't experienced before. GarciSlim contains an incredible natural ingredient, Garcinia Cambogia. Have you heard of it? This ingredient has gained a lot of attention because it helps control your appetite and even blocks new fat from forming. A powerful combination if you're looking to see real changes. And the best part? This formula is backed by research and science. It's not something put together randomly. Each component is carefully chosen to bring real results. I've always been careful with what I consume, and one thing that really put my mind at ease with GarciSlim is that each dose goes through strict quality testing. I know I'm taking in only natural, powerful ingredients that truly support my wellness goals, and that makes all the difference. Oh, and something super important. With so many products out there, I always make sure I'm buying from the official site. GarciSlim is one of those products you should only buy from the official site to make sure you're getting the real deal with all the benefits. And you know what I loved most? It's the sense of well-being that comes with it. GarciSlim isn't just about looks, it's about how you feel inside. It gives that extra energy, helps get rid of those stubborn pounds, and makes me feel more in control of my health. So if you're curious to see what makes GarciSlim so special, I'll leave you with one last tip. Make sure to buy it from the official website, because that's the only way to guarantee you're getting the authentic GarciSlim with all its power packed inside. Click the link below and get ready to start this journey with me. I'm sure you'll feel the difference a product made for you can make.